here's how you do the takedown. Now the question is, how did we get here? Well, let's start over. Back up. So we're gonna start over. He's gonna have the stick, attack versus no stick. First thing I do is I get out of the way, I move in, I do a double forearm block with my arms. The most important thing here is when he's doing this first strike, I am moving out of the way and I know he's gonna be coming back in for strike number 2. That's when I have to move in. I have to close the distance and block. Once I block, I'm gonna use my right hand to hook his wrist and to pull it down to my hip. Here is where the magic happens. My elbow goes over through the top. I can even strike to the face as I'm coming through. My right hand has the wrist locked. Left hand is gonna come up through the hole. I'm gonna grab my wrist. I wanna bring my left elbow to the other side of his arm, and I wanna pull the arm in tight to my body. If you have someone that's big and strong, you can even push the wrist as you step back to take them down. Then you follow up with a knee on the body. The most important thing here is I want to take the stick away. So my hand is gonna grab the stick, I'm gonna pull it to the hip. My right hand is gonna come under the end of the stick, and now I'm gonna use my hips and use my body to pop, to disarm, and then I can come back, I can strike, and I'm in control. So this is how you do a figure 4 takedown off of a stick versus no stick disarm.